it's Awesome Tiger, and I'm back with another amazing video. Now we're learning paper dosa. I know I already made a dosa video before, but that was normal dosa. That's too soft and too thick. This one's a thin dosa and a crispy dosa, and it barely needs any oil, at least if you're using a non-stick pan. So first of all, you need a big non-stick pan, but you don't need the pan to be non-stick, or because you can just use little drops of oil on the side of the dosa. And also you need dosa batter, and the dosa batter has to have bubbles, or else it won't be a paper dosa. Or you can get it from Annapurna Foods. The dosa pindi is always great there. That's how we discovered how to make paper dosa. Now let's get started. So first you need your dosa pindi, and you need a bowl to get the dosa pindi ready, because you need to mix water in the dosa pindi before using it. It's going to need a lot of water though. At least it depends on how thick your dosa pindi is. It has to be pretty thin for paper dosa, because then if the batter is thick, then the dosa will be thin. If the batter is thin, the dosa will be thin. Then you mix. And a tip for mixing, use all of the dosa pindi when you're mixing. Don't leave out some of it. Then you'll get a better mix. Oh, I think that's still too thick. Add some more. And by some, I mean a lot. And here's also another way of mixing. Scoop a little up, bring it up, and then pour it. That's a way of checking how thin or thick it is too. That's good. I think I'll add just a little bit more. I think this should definitely be good. It's pretty thin. Before you put some water, it's usually very thick. So you need to make it thin yourself by adding water and mixing. And now this is probably good. Yeah, this is good. And if you get if you scoop it up and pour it out and you get a result like this, it's probably ready. Now let's get started on cooking. And also you need to heat the non-stick pan before, and heat it as much as you want. There is no overheating with paper dosa, or any dosa. And then just mix it once. I'm going to give it one more mix, and then put 2 scoops of dosa batter on it. 1. And don't make the scoops too big. Don't overextend it. You still want it very thin. And then have a little of those spiral thingies pop out. But you don't want too much of those. Too many. Ooh, it's reaching the sides. And then once it's reaching the sides, don't extend it too much more. Just try this. And that's good. Now you wait for a very long time. And also, once the sides pop up, don't flip it yet. Only if it's getting really brown, like darkish brown, not tan like this. That's too early for paper dosa at least. And also, if only one side is getting tanner or browner and then the other side isn't, there's probably two reasons that it might be happening. Either there's a bigger flame on this side, or maybe there's there's a mini hole here, and that's why it's showing more. But on mine, I can see that it's a way bigger flame. So a way to make that better is to turn the pan to the side which isn't heating as much. Oh wait, there's a hole here too. So the bigger flame is definitely the problem. And now you let it cook some more. And now this is definitely good enough. Look at how brown it is. And then it's already starting to not stick anymore, so that's good. A serving plate. Whoa, it's amazing. So now you can roll it up. Ooh, this is working not as well as I thought. It's too crispy. Oh, let me just try it. It really is as thin as paper. That's why they call it paper dosa. I'm sure that crunch echoed. This is amazing. It has great taste too. Thanks to Annapurna Foods. This one's great, and I hope you enjoyed yours too. Sorry about that word loss there. Now, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you really love this video. Now, bye!